Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Doom Eternal crashing on PC. So here's what you're gonna do. Go to search, type in settings. In settings, you wanna go to display. I'll scroll down till you find graphics. Open it. Now here, search the list and type in Doom Eternal. If it's not on the list, you can add it either from the desktop or the Microsoft Store. If you have it through that, or if you have it through Steam, then you go to desktop and then you find it in your Steam by opening your Steam, going to library. Let's say this is Doom. You want to right click on it, click manage, click browse local files, and it will open here. And you want to copy this path. And now you want to go here and then paste it. And you're here, and then you simply click on it and then click add. And this will be on the list. Now you want to switch the performance from let Windows aside to high performance and exit out of this. And also you want to verify the integrity of the game files by going to properties on your Doom Eternal, go to installed files, and then click verify integrity of the game files. After you have verified and the game still doesn't work, what you can try is moving the install folder to your local disk C if you have it on local disk D, because the local disk C where your Windows is installed tends to be more stable and runs without errors, while the other disks can experience the interruptions and hiccups. So if you move your game files to local disk C, the game should run properly. Obviously, you want to also update your drivers to latest and greatest AMD or NVIDIA, and then you simply download them. And after that, all of that, you want to restart your PC and then the game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Doom Eternal crashing. Hope this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.